The Rise of Skin Cycling, a 2025 guide to smarter skincare. The beauty and health world in 2025 is buzzing with a concept that has redefined how we approach skincare routines: skin cycling. Originally popularized on social media in the early 2020s, this technique has matured into a dermatologist-backed regimen that supports skin barrier repair while maximizing the efficacy of active ingredients. It's no longer about layering every product every night. Skin cycling is about timing, patience, and a personalized rhythm. As people embrace minimalism in skincare, this approach aligns perfectly with the demand for efficient, evidence-based routines that deliver real results. The idea is simple but powerful. Alternate your nighttime skincare products over a 4-day cycle to allow your skin to recover between active treatments. Day 2 is for retinoids, those vitamin A derivatives that accelerate cell turnover and fight acne, pigmentation, and signs of aging. Days 3 and 4 focus on recovery with intense hydration and barrier repair ingredients like ceramides, peptides, and niacinamide. The cyclical nature prevents overexfoliation and irritation, common side effects of using too many actives at once. As the method gains momentum in 2025, skincare brands are even launching skin cycling kits, pre-divided by night, making it easier for users to stick to the plan. This method has expanded beyond just facial skincare. Influencers and dermatologists are now recommending skin cycling for body care as well, especially for people suffering from keratosis pilaris, body acne, or dry patches. Body-specific exfoliants and retinoid creams are finding their place in the weekly body care routine. This whole-body approach is changing how people think about skincare. Instead of overloading on products daily, skin cycling teaches that less can truly be more when applied with precision and rest periods. It also opens up the discussion around skin barrier health, an increasingly important topic in beauty science. Consumers are learning that irritation and sensitivity often stem not from a problematic skin type, but from an overloaded and fatigued skin barrier. The appeal of skin cycling goes beyond science. It's tailor-made for the busy lifestyle of modern consumers. Instead of trying to remember what product goes on what day in an endlessly rotating product jungle, users can create simple weekly routines. Monday is exfoliation, Tuesday is retinoids, and Thursday is recovery. Easy to remember, easy to follow. Even better, it offers visible results without needing expensive facials or salon treatments. People are finding their skin looking clearer, smoother, and more even-toned, simply by changing the sequence and frequency of products they already own. The success stories across YouTube and TikTok in 2025 have made this a go-to format for both beginners and seasoned skincare enthusiasts.